Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade seasonings. Having a homemade Japanese seasonings makes your life much more easier and you can make a delicious Japanese food in a minute. Let's start with Mansuyu. You will need katsuobushi bonito flakes. I use thickly sliced, but you can use thinly sliced one. Dried shiitake mushroom, kombu kelp, and usukuchi light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sea salt. First, put all the ingredients in a saucepan except salt. Cover with plastic wrap onto the surface to submerge shiitake mushrooms. Leave it for at least 2 to 3 hours, preferably overnight. When shiitake mushrooms are rehydrated, it is ready to cook. Set over very low heat for about 10 minutes and let it gently simmer. Be careful not to bring it to a boil, otherwise it will taste unpleasant. Then keep cooking on very low heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add salt to the pot and stir to dissolve. Strain into a pot. Transfer to a bottle and keep in the fridge. It will last up to 3 months. I use this Mansuyu mostly for cooking despite of its name Mansuyu. You can make spinach goma ae or shira ae to side dish with this Mansuyu. I make Mansuyu because it's not easy to find Mansuyu without adding MSGs at the grocery store. If you find it, it's very expensive. I don't want to take MSG regularly because it makes our sense of the taste so dull. By the way, don't throw the strained ingredients. Put them in a pot and pour water to cover and set over medium heat and cook for 10 minutes. Strain. And this is called niban dashi of Mansuyu. Literally, it means second dashi. It doesn't have a strong flavor, but it still has umami. You can use it for a simmered vegetable or tofu with this broth. And you can make a good condiment for the rice with the shiitake and kombu. Next, sushi vinegar. I used to make sushi vinegar just combining the ingredients, but Chef Tetsu taught me heating method. This is much more delicious and you can feel the milder umami. Put all the ingredients for the sushi vinegar in a pot. Start cooking on medium heat and constantly stir. It looks cloudy while dissolving the sugar and salt. As time passes and the temperature rises, there will be a moment that the liquid becomes translucent. Do not ever bring it to a boil because it will lose the sourness from the vinegar, and that is the signature aroma of sushi vinegar. As soon as you reach the stage of the translucent liquid, turn the heat off. Add a piece of dried kombu kelp and let it cool. Transfer to a bottle and you can keep the sushi vinegar in the fridge for a couple of months. You can make a quick vinegary dish if you have it in your fridge, or you can make a sushi anytime you want. I often make a quick salad dressing with this sushi vinegar, soy sauce, and drizzle of sesame oil. It tastes just like a Chinese dressing. Easy and so delicious. Next, teriyaki sauce. You need a soy sauce and mirin and sugar and green part of long green onion and ginger skin if you have. That will add nice aroma and make it so special, but you can do it without any fragrance. Put all the ingredients in a pot and bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes. You can make teriyaki chicken, of course, or teriyaki fish or stir-fried vegetables. Or you can even make noodle dishes with this teriyaki sauce. And the next one is yuzu ponzu. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus that has a unique and refreshing aroma that makes the sauce so aromatic. Actually, this sauce makes everything good. Let it marinate for at least 48 hours and squeeze. When you marinate it with the peel, you can add more aroma from the yuzu. You can drizzle on the karaage or vegetables of your choice, or you can use it as a dipping sauce for the nabe dishes. These homemade seasonings makes it easy to keep on the track. Alright, that's it for today. In the next video, I will explain how to make easy vegetable side dishes. I have received so many requests for the vegetable side dishes so far, so please watch the next video. Click like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.